Just arrived to the Mueang Airport, Terminal 1. This is the airport where you're gonna fly using the low-cost airliners like AirAsia. Definitely you're gonna use this terminal. I will see you on the other side. I have to check in. I have only 2 hours today. The airport itself, there is the one Starbucks. This is where I gonna go when I'm in travel. I always go to Starbucks. Some bakery, coffee, Thai restaurant. There is even Golden Angle McDonald's. Golden Angle or Golden Uncle, and Subway as well, connected to each other. So many options to eat. Anyways, mostly AirAsia is flying from this terminal. Eventually some Nok Air and Lion. Hello, little buddy. Actually, yeah, 90% are AirAsia. And a little bit of the view from the airport. Not so many planes though. From the other side is actually better view. There are some AirAsia, there are some Thai Airways planes, and the one plane is landing. I think it's AirAsia. Here we go. Overall, the airport condition seems a little bit quiet. Maybe because this is like only Asian flights, Southeast Asian flights. Overall will be busier on the international airport where you can go to Europe. There's supposed to be 2 Starbucks, but one is closed unfortunately, so that means it's very quiet, and there is some Dairy Queen and some other cafe. Anyways guys, I was reading some of your comments and Google reviews from various places across Thailand, Bangkok and Phuket where I've been. And for me it seems like it's kind of busy, there's some traffic jam and everything, but to compare to the pre-pandemic times, many of you guys saying it's actually very quiet in Thailand, and seems even this airport is actually kind of quiet. Similar was in Kuala Lumpur, similar is in Bali, everywhere in Southeast Asia. So to come back to the pre-pandemic times, I think we need at least 1, maybe 2 years. Hopefully it will come back like it was. Gonna stop for the first time in Starbucks. That's the prices in case if you miss them. And there is actually pretty nice view from this specific Starbucks in airport, but all the tables are taken. However, you could normally sit and watching the planes. So I got my grande mocha. Lucky to having a view today. Still got 1 hour, so gonna do some editing. Grande mocha and strop waffle, caramel waffle. Actually they are 2 inside, 240 bahts, and this is the view. Also got some very good stuff from duty free, and it's time for boarding now. I'm flying back to Bali. Actually, this is the tip whenever you travel to Indonesia from other Southeast Asian countries. If you buy something from duty free, it's at least 2-3 times cheaper than in Indonesia. In general, you cannot even buy this stuff in Bali or in Indonesia at all. However, if you buy online or something like that, it's at least 2-3 times, mostly 3 times more expensive. So if you are living there, it's the good tip for you. It's also pretty good idea for ole, which means the gifts for the Indonesian people, because you're not gonna buy it in the shops. Either ways, all of those people flying to Bali today. Here we go. Quite a lot of people actually now. Boarding time, I always have a zone 1. So not many people, because I'm one of the first. But there is no view. Oh no. Hello. As always, seat 14A, somewhere here. The seat 14A, the best seat in full AirAsia planes. Just don't book it when I'm flying. After that you can book it all that time. Yeah. Also very interesting fact about the wearing a mask when I fly the Thai Smile Thai Airways, which is actually the bankruptcy, they're different but the same Thai Airways. You don't have to wear a mask inside the on board of the plane. That's interesting fact. In Thailand in general it's like not obligatory, not mandatory. You wear it only if you want. crowded in Bali again. There are even some big planes now in Bali airport, like a Qatar and two Emirates in the background. I don't know if you can see. Little situation in the airport on international arrival. This thing is actually very nice indeed, showing you exactly how Bali looks like. So this is Bali airport today. Definitely much busier than last time I was here. Also, this is XL. This is what I'm using for SIM card. Also, Telkomsel is very good, guys. If you are looking for SIM card with internet or something, just buy straightforward, hassle-free. And this is the airport. Looks totally different than I was here last time landing 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Was different, right? Oh, the wine shop is also here in case if you are waiting too long in the queues. However, for me it was easy today. Welcome to Bali. Now, oh, they opened the Starbucks here, so you can have a coffee while waiting for your driver or taxi options or whatever. Well, quite many people coming to Bali, I'm gonna tell you guys. For me, you know, guys, I have a PR, but for the tourists who have to buy the visa on arrival and then waiting time is approximately 2.5 hours right now. For me, it was like, 10-15 minutes, but keep it in mind, guys. And of course, quite a lot of drivers waiting for you, mostly from the hotels and organized companies. They cannot shout at you nowadays. They can only stay quiet and wait with the card with your name and you come to them. They cannot offer you any kind of taxi, like anything like that, like it was before, guys. So, but quite a lot of drivers and quite a lot of people, and the sunset time is just now. And if you don't want to take a drop-off taxi, airport taxi, or Grab, you can go to the drop-off zone and take a first bluebird. Well, like this one at the front of me. Maybe I'm gonna take him like this one, just from the drop-off area. Happy days. Bluebird. I'm back home to Bali eventually. Unfortunately, Winnie is still in Sumba. She go actually second time during my stay in Thailand. So as you see, it's not as that easy. How does it look like when you are watching on the screen, maybe? But the good thing is she's coming back tomorrow, so I'm gonna pick her up from the airport, and then next few days you can expect some videos from Bali. Meanwhile, that was the current situation in Bali airport, and overall my journey, my travel vlog from Bangkok up to Bali. I hope so you enjoy, and I will see you tomorrow. As always, see ya.